GetPay is no doubt one of the best platforms you can actually get a working USD bank account. If you own a PayPal account and linking your bank account to the PayPal account has been taking forever, the first question you need to ask yourself right now is, do you have a GetPay account? Please note that as of today, you can create a euro or pounds account with GetPay, and that's the exact reason why we have Grey.co. If you haven't watched a video where I actually explain everything about Grey.co, then the video just slide in above, and I will also be putting the link right in the description below. Ensure you check it out. Grey used to operate a USD account, but what is the main reason why they no longer have a USD account? Well, the reason is just because they currently have a little issue with their provider, and that's the exact reason why we are left with only euro and pounds. So if you need a USD account, then I suggest you go for GetPay, and that's exactly what we are about to create today. To create your GetPay account and get it verified right on the spot, there are some information and documents you need to provide. This includes BVN, utility bill, statement of account, and of course statement of account from any online organizations you might have worked with. This might seem a little bit complicated, but let me break it down to you. If you have worked on Fiverr or Upwork, or you've been an author on Amazon KDP, or you have been a content creator on YouTube, in one way or the other you might have got paid. So you need to provide a proof of payment that they paid to you. You need to provide it to actually prove your claim that you have actually worked with them. I will also be needing the link to your page. Anyway, you have nothing to worry about this because I'll be shedding more light to it once we kickstart the practical guide. So I will urge you to grab your phone, your laptop, your pen and your paper, and let's dive into it. Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, so we'll be creating our GitPay account right now. Okay, you can call it GitPay, you can call it GetPay, depending on the way you see the pronunciation. Alright, so the first thing you need to know right now is that GetPay only provide a USD account. So, and the second thing you need to know is that they are still working on their euro and pounds account. So if you want to create a euro or pounds account, then I suggest you create a Grey account. All right, so I've done another video where I actually show people how to create a Grey account, and that video will be shown after this entire training. I'll be putting the link where you will actually watch the video after this entire training. So to create an account, you need to click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, they are going to ask you, are you a freelancer or you're a company? What kind of account do you want to open? So as a freelancer, I'll prefer clicking on freelancer. Just like you can see, GetPay actually works in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania, and Uganda. So I'm in Nigeria, so I click on Nigeria, then click on continue. Now they are asking me to provide my email address. So the first thing you need to do is to just type in your email address here. My own email address is olawapmedia@gmail.com. Okay, so we are asked to actually provide a referral code. I'll be showing you my referral code just like it is on the screen. So ensure you enter this referral code just like it is displayed on the screen. Okay, then click continue. Now an email has been sent to me containing some code that I need to actually enter. So I need to enter the code here. Enter the secret code. Then once you enter the secret code, it will be processing. Now you are asked to create a password. So ensure that your password contains minimum of 10 characters, at least one uppercase, at least one number, and at least one symbol. So lowercase 2 is welcome. Then click continue. Our major aim now is to just create our USD bank account. So to get started with creating our USD bank account, we first of all need to verify our GetPay account. They are asking us here, what do you want to use GetPay for? So we need to tell them, do you want to use it to be receiving funds from employer, marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr, Amazon KDP, Shopify, or you just want to create a USD card for spending, or you want to receive fund as a creator, e.g. you are a YouTuber, you're a TikToker, or whichever way you want to use to be receiving funds. So I will prefer receiving fund from a marketplace since I already told them that I'm a freelancer. So click on that and click continue. Okay, now here they are asking for my personal details like my full name, So like my first name and my last name, your date of birth, very, very important. So please ensure you enter everything in a right way. Okay, enter your date of birth. Okay, this is very, very important because if you make a mistake, it might affect your account. So ensure that whichever details you are entering is the right details. Okay, so your nationality, please, when you are entering your nationality, Nigerian are different from Nigerian. The only difference between the spelling is A and E. Just please take note of it so that you won't enter Nigerian as your nationality. This is very important. Nigerian is for Niger people. Okay, so Nigerian. So then your phone number, this is very, very important. So enter your phone number here. So then verify the phone number with immediate effect by clicking on verify right here. Okay, a code has been sent to the phone number, so let's enter the code. All right, so the code has been verified. So the next thing is to enter your time zone. Which time zone are you? Well, in Nigeria, I think we are in +0, or is it +1? You can actually check for that on Google to know the time zone you are. Okay, then your street address, you need to enter every single thing here. Then your country, again, you need to enter your country. This is very important. That's your residential address. Okay, then proof of address. What is the proof that you actually live in the provided address? So in this place now, you need to download either your NEPA bill, your utility bill, or any kind of proof of address you have. You need to get those things and send it right here. Okay, so right now I need to look for my utility bill or my house rent receipt to actually prove to them that I actually live in the above address. Okay, so this proof of address need to contain your bank statement proving that you actually live in the provided address, or your utility bill. So this is very important. That's either your NEPA bill, so you need to have the utility bill on ground that actually contain the address of where you live, and your bank statement. So this is very, very important. So what you need to do next after entering your details, that's your utility bill and your proof of address, which is your bank statement, is to click on save. So then to be processing, which will now move you to another place where they are asking about your employment details. Okay, so employment details, you need to put it there. Okay, so who are your employers? Or are you self-employed? Are you working on Amazon or Fiverr or Kindle Publishing and Co? So I can easily select any of them here. Okay, so then which country? Still let them know that you are working from Nigeria. Okay, and the website is fiverr.com. So the next thing, job information. What kind of job were you doing? Okay, on Fiverr or wherever you are working. If you are self-employed too, you need to put your employer name, country, and employer website, if any. Okay, so occupation. So you need to put your occupation. All right, then your monthly salary, that's your monthly earning. Even if you are not earning salary, like your estimated amount that you usually earn through Fiverr or anywhere. Okay, so you need to put it. Then you need to put the evidence. There must be an evidence that you are actually earning certain amount on such website. So you need to put that one too. So then once you do that, provide your Fiverr profile URL, and next thing is to save. All right guys, so after entering your employment details, so you are taken to this place where we have all the details you still need to enter. You will notice that your employment details is completed, but it's faded. The reason is because they need to verify some things so that to be sure that whatever you enter there is true. All right, so you need to proceed to bank account details. So this is where we are going to enter our bank details. So you can enter your Nigerian bank details right here. Okay, so enter your Nigerian bank details here. Your bank name, then your account number, then your account name will be automatically generated. Then your BVN to verify that the account details and the bank details are the same. So your BVN is really needed. All right, so after entering your BVN, you click on continue so it can be processing. Now that our bank details has been entered, so the next thing is to verify our identity. So when you click on it, they are telling you that you have to provide a selfie and a government ID. So this particular procedure is something that we need to do on our phone. So if you click on it now, like for instance, now I have an international passport. You can use your national identity, but I want to use my own international passport. So if you click on it, it's loading, trying to load the place where we have to, snap ourselves and all that. Now they are telling us, let's get you verified. Prepare a valid document, scan this code on your phone so that they can continue the procedure. So what we are doing right now, we are going to continue it right on our phone. Are you ready? So let's get started. All right guys, so there are basically two different ways you can actually migrate this setup we've been doing to your phone so that you can actually verify yourself through your selfie and snapping your valid document. Number one way is for you to scan this code here. Bring out your phone and scan this code, and you'll automatically be linked to the website. Number two way is for you to enter your mobile phone number here, and you'll be directed to the website. They will send a code to your phone. The code will direct you to the exact place. So this is the code here, and the code contains the link that will take us to where we are going. So I just have to click on the code and it will take me to the verification page. All right, so now that we are on the verification screen, the first thing we need to do is to just click on let's go. They just tell you, make sure you are with your valid ID card, make sure you are in a well-lit place, and be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. So then you need to click on let's go. All right, so next up you need to click on allow here. So you need to allow them to take your picture. So right now they are asking us if they want to take a picture, a live picture of our international passport. So I'll be providing a live picture of my international passport. All right, I guess that one is there. Now they are asking of a live picture of me myself, so I'm taking that right now. All right, so I've taken that shot, and as you can see, they are telling us thank you. So now we can actually continue from our desktop site by clicking continue here. So our verification is currently under review, as you can see. So we just have to wait for them to actually review our verification and approve our ownership of this account. So the next thing right here is you can check out your invoice. This is the place where you can actually provide invoice, then your cards, your wallet, transaction. All of this now can be done once your account is ready. So you have to give it some time, because this will just take a few hours and your account will be set and ready. So once our account is ready, we get back to business. All right guys, so in just less than an hour, our account has just been verified. I just reload this page after receiving an email from the GetPay management that my account has been verified. So this is the account now. So what next you need to do is to just play around, create your dollar bank account, your euro and pounds account. You can check them out if they are available by clicking on wallets, and then it will open up the account. So this is our dollar account, request funding account, so you can actually check it out. So if you want to request for a dollar account, one thing you need to do is to click on request funding account. Then you read this, just like they said, it's used for local bank transfer within United States only. No wire transfer. Payment from unverifiable source are not supported. Transfer usually take 1 to 3 business days. Fees are applicable for all inflow. So you just click on create. So now that we have created it, and within a twinkle of an eye, we have a well-registered bank account. As you can see, this is my bank account, my USD bank account. Currently, we cannot request for a pounds account, and we cannot request for a euro account. So if you want to create a pounds or euro account, I suggest you watch the video where I teach people about Gray. Gray provides euro and pounds accounts, and they are well verified according to the video I provided. Okay, so now that we have a USD account, we can always request for anybody to send us money from any part of the world, as far as they are using a USD account also. Okay, so you just need to be careful. Then if you want to create your USD card, you click on cards, then you come here and click on create new cards. Then you provide your details and you can create a new virtual card. Okay, you can tell them whether it's MasterCard you want, then your alias. So you can actually put something here. So but my wallet doesn't have any money now. I haven't actually found my wallet, so as a result of that, this may not work out because it requires having a minimum of $3 in your dollar account. So first of all, fund it with $3. Then the next thing you need to do is to request for the card, and you will get that card. Okay, so that's just how it is. Physical card is not available for GigPay, so you need to be aware of that too. Physical card is not available for now, but I think they are still planning to provide that because they put the option right there. So you need to be aware of that. So you can always come to settings to reset some of your details. Probably if there's any detail that you find that is not going along with your plan, you can always do that. Okay, so all my details are here. Then my beneficiaries, those are the people I've sent money to so far, they are here. So then security, very important. If you want to change your password, then your identification, so your ID and everything is here. Okay, so there's nothing left for you right now than to just proceed and use your GetPay account to make transactions as much as you want. Link it with your PayPal account and be using it to withdraw seamlessly from your PayPal account. I must congratulate you because creating your GetPay and activating your foreign bank account just made you an international entrepreneur. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Just like I explained earlier on that if you need a euro or pounds account, you should rely on Gray.co. Well, the video that just popped up right on the screen will show you exactly how to register with Gray.co and how to generate your euro and pounds account. If this video has been helpful to you in one way or the other, I would suggest that you smash that subscribe button and also hit the like button. You can go as far as sharing the video also. Whatever you do, never stop making money.